Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll know about very important concept, and that in SQL this very important concept, and this advanced concept in SQL you must should know if you are going for any interview related to SQL. Okay, the concept is stored procedure. Okay, this is very important concept. You must know. Okay, if you're going for any interview. So what is actually stored procedure is? In this video we will discuss about totally, and we also saw in one example how you can create a stored procedure. It is very simple, not very hard. Stored procedure, and it's very useful in SQL. Okay, you can do lots of things using stored procedure. Okay, it's like a I'll tell you what actually it is. So what is written in the note that a stored procedure is a pre-written SQL code saved in database that can execute it repeatedly by calling it. Okay, it's like a reusable function that performs specific tasks such as retrieving, updating, or manipulating data with optional input and output parameters. Output optional. Okay, not a mandatory. It's like a function in any programming language. Okay, I think if you know programming language, it can be any programming language, Python, Java. You must work with function. Okay, so how the function work? You calling it names, and the total function or what code inside written inside the function total executed when you calling the function, it's same. When you call the stored procedure, inside what query you written in the under the stored procedure, total run. Okay, total query is run. So this is the same like a stored procedure, and this is same like a function. Okay, so you can use it updating table, inserting data, or manipulating data. Okay, and also you can pass some input or output with optional input and output parameters. So this is optional, it's not that mandatory. If you don't need pass any parameter, you don't need to pass any parameter. Okay, this is optional. Stored procedure improve efficiency, security, and maintainability by centralizing logic in database. Okay, this is very important. If you read this, key benefits: reusability, written once and used multiple times. You know this. You written one times and when you call it, it's total function and total stored procedure executed. And number two is performance, executes faster as it is pre-compiled. Okay, as it is pre-compiled, so it is executed fast. Security, controls access to data and prevents direct table manipulation. This is very important. Modularity, simplifies complex queries into manageable tasks. Okay, you don't need to write complex query again and again. You just run one time and you can just write one time and you can run many times. Okay, this is the key benefits of using stored procedure. So let me see we example, like we create a table, employee table, and we have some data. We have some columns names. One is employee ID, first name, last name, salary. So first create the table. I'll choose another database. I'll choose city. I think I already created a table. I create a table and I inside this go inside. I insert some data. Okay, let me see my table. Employee 2. Let's see what is then. This is my employee table. Okay, and what we have to do is that we created an employee table. We create a stored procedure where I put a salary marks. Okay, minimum salary. Okay, like I will need only first name and last name, or only employee ID. The salary is greater than 45,000. Okay, we need this. You can change the parameter anytime. You can change it to 60,000, 70,000. Anytime you can change. When you see that what is the how many people are there, those salary is greater than 75,000. You can see also how many employees is the salary is greater than 60,000. We just want to create an automated tool. We just pass the salary, you what you want to say about employee, we just see. Okay, this is how, this is type of store procedure we're going to create. What you have to do is just you have to just write create procedure and name of the store procedure. What you are going to name, this is mandatory, you have to write create procedure, this is mandatory, and after that you can give any name. Okay, it's not mandatory that you have to give a specific name, you can give any name. Okay, I give just get high salary, I just keep this name. Okay, get high salary. What is the syntax? And syntax that you have to as begin end. This is the syntax of the store procedure. You have to write the code inside the begin and end, within begin and end. Okay, this is the syntax of store procedure. Create procedure name as begin and end. You have to write the query inside the begin and end. Okay, and if I want to, now you will see this, I not pass any parameter. Okay, I just create the store procedure. If I am going to pass any parameter, how you can do this? You just write at the rate, I write mean salary, decimal. This is how you can create pass a parameter. Okay, so now I will going to write the code inside the begin and end. You just add that your in parameter name, and then you pass the data type also. Now we write the query inside the begin and end. Right, select ID, salary greater than this salary, what passed by the user, this one. Okay, this is the query, this is my store procedure. Okay, now we run this store procedure. Let me see what happened. I get the error. What error I am getting? Let me see and check it. Create procedure. Oh, this is decimal cannot find. It is saying decimal cannot find. Why I'm getting this error? Oh, I didn't. I just do the spelling error. That's why I'm getting error. Decimal. Now it is okay. Run this. Now my query store procedures is created. Now I'm call it, execute it. Okay, how can I execute it? Just write execute, right your store procedure name, and pass the your value. Is equal to you see this, you only get the value above 50,000. Now I change it to 60. You will see this is 60 is not there when you run the query. No, 60 is not there. Okay, this is how you can create store procedure and run this. You can change anytime. Like I'll give 75. Many times you can see, and you can change the input. You have to just change this input. Nothing you have to do. Okay. This is how stored procedure work. Okay. And stored procedure is very important. If you don't know what is stored procedure, I think you should know before going for any interview. Okay. This is very important concept in SQL. If you like this particular video, please thumbs up, and if you have any query related to this or any other query, please let me in the comment section. Thank you guys.